Ever wondered how to make the most out of a solo journey? Welcome to the ultimate guide that will arm you with 5 essential tips that every solo traveler should know. First on our list is plan but don't overplan. Yes, it sounds paradoxical, but it makes perfect sense. When you're traveling alone, it's crucial to have a rough itinerary, know your destinations, and do some research about the places. But remember, one of the best parts about solo travel is the freedom it offers. So leave some room for spontaneity, for those unexpected discoveries that can turn your trip into an unforgettable adventure. Secondly, always stay connected. In this digital age, staying connected is easier than ever. Make sure you have a reliable way to access the internet, whether it's through international data or a local SIM card. This will not only help you navigate and find local attractions, but also stay in touch with loved ones, giving them a new peace of mind. Third on our list is learn some local language. Even if it's just a few phrases, learning the local language can go a long way. It shows respect for the culture, helps you interact with locals, and can even get you out of sticky situations. So, before you set off on your journey, take some time to learn basic greetings, thank you and please in the local language. The fourth tip is pack light but smart. When you're alone, you're responsible for all your belongings, so packing light is key. But that doesn't mean you should compromise on essentials. Always pack a first aid kit, copies of your important documents and portable chargers. And remember, it's always better to have something and not need it than need it and not have it. Last but not least, trust your instincts. Your gut feeling is your most reliable tool when you're on the road alone. If something doesn't feel right, it probably isn't. Trust your instincts, stay vigilant, and don't be afraid to change your plans if necessary. In summary, the 5 golden rules for solo travelers are: plan but don't overplan, always stay connected, learn some local language, pack light but smart, trust your instincts. Master these and you're well on your way to becoming a seasoned solo traveler. Remember, traveling alone is not just about the destination, but also about the journey, and most importantly, about discovering yourself. Safe travels. For more travel tips, subscribe to Vacation Advertiser.